So today I'm wanting to make a template of this area, and the reason for that is, do you see this small lip right here? I need that to be filled in. I don't want a gap right there in between this wall and this wall. So I'm going to make a template right here to fit in this area. So that is the purpose. As you see, I'm making a template. So that way I'll have to fill in that gap. So I'll do that, and then I'll put cardboard in that area. So that way it'll fill it in. So now I'm going to trace around the window, so that way I have that also to cut out. And that way it'll be easy, so it'll already be pre-cut out. The only thing is the scallop down here. I'm not going to fill that in because when I put the stone over top of it, it should fill in that area fine where you won't see it. Just want to let you all know what I'm trying to do. So once I fill in this gap, then I'm going to stone the whole side just like this, but a different way. I saw another YouTuber actually do stone, but it wasn't like this. So I'm going to do more of an actual earth sort of looking stone. Just want to let you guys understand what I'm doing. So right now I'm going to trace out for this window area, cut out this, and then also make a template for both sides, so that way I'll fill in that gap. Okay? So as you can see, I have the window part. I'm going to cut that out. And then I'm going to cut out cardboard for this template. Okay? Yay! So I'm cutting out 2 of these. See the hole? I've already cut the rough pitch line. Now I just need to cut out the holes for both, and then I'm going to glue them in the spot. So that'll be fun. So I'm just going to keep you updated what I'm doing, so that way you'll know, and then that way you'll see it. And then the next step will be me gluing them in the space, and then after that I will start working on the outside exterior. So I got the cardboard in. A little rough though, but I'll trim it up. It's close. Look, plates, paint. Got the paint today. And then this one is a little rough too, but I'll fix that. No big deal. So we got it all the way in and all the way down here. I think that looks pretty good. Once I add some paint, once I add all the bricks, it'll be fine. You won't even notice the difference. So other than that, it looks really good. I'm excited. I'm gonna get that, put it on, and then I'm gonna glue it on there. And this will be awesome. I'm excited. This is a good fit. So I'm just gonna keep you guys posted. So I got glue on it, and I'm gonna stick it on there and get it all ready. The box comes from Chewy. Chewy, some special for Coco that came in the mail. Now I have one side totally complete. Now it's on to the next side and get it all glued up. So here's part of the second side. I still have this little area right here to add right there. and do that, and I'm totally ready to let it dry, and then trim out a little bit on the windows because they're too, you can see they overhang a little bit. I need to trim it, and I'm gonna do that, and then after I get that'll be after it dries, and then I get to start adding my stone front to it. I'm excited about this. This is going to be really fun. So let me go ahead and finish this part right here, and then I'll see you back after it dries. So I've been cutting some cardboard strips for roof, and I'm going to put caulking in the grooves of the cardboard, and I'm going to put the caulking on the plate, and I'm going to rub the little shingles that I'm making with this in the caulking and just like fill it in. And then I'm going to place them on this roof, sort of in the same sort of style that they have on there now on both sides. And unfortunately my tripod is downstairs or upstairs, and I can't do without it, but I'm going to do a few, use some wood glue, stick them on here, and then hoping that works. We'll see. Okay, let's get started. So you see what I got? I got the little variegated. I'm gonna fill in the holes, wipe off the excess. That way it's filled in. I have several of these I'm going to do. I should be upstairs in my craft room, but at the moment we have the dollhouse downstairs. So it makes it easier if it's downstairs. But I'm going to go ahead and fill all these gaps in, and then I'm going to apply them onto the roof. So stay tuned. I applied wood glue, and I'm going to put my first shingle on right down here. And I'm going to let it overhang a little bit, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do it all the way around. So this is what I got done so far. It's starting to look like a roof. It needs a little bit of paint. Come on, guys, it's looking good. A few more layers. Now I'm gonna work on the other side so I can get them all meted up to the top. So this is what I got so far. And I have the whole top of that and the other side to still do. It's coming together. Less tiles. Now we're gonna let it dry. But just remember, we still have to do the other side, which hasn't been done yet. So, more tiles to cut. So let's let it dry.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put it down for now.